Our show this year is called The Story Begins at Home. And we have a guest artist who writes books and teaches how to tell a story through your quilts. And we also have a guest artist who is one of our members, and she's a completely prize-winning quilter. She's done some fabulous work, so we're really blessed to have them both this year. And at the show, which is open Friday and Saturday, opens at 10, closes at 6 on Friday, 5 on Saturday, and the cost is $5 for both days. Come and enjoy a nice walk through the show. There are seminars taking place almost every hour on the hour. And we also have a silent auction going on with lots of quilty goodies available, and those some of those are going to have a buy now price, so you don't even have to sweat it out at the end of the auction. We have a fabulous raffle quilt this year. It's called the Bally Star, and it was beautifully done by a team of women in the Guild. The tickets for that are just $1, and some lucky winner will be drawn at the end of the show on Saturday.